I'm going to do a little bit of pretext here and say, well, what is AI? I'm not going to go through all the types of AI, but I am going to focus in and say Copilot specifically is a large language model, natural language processing, generative AI. And if you'd like to learn more about what that actually means, we did a webinar way back when in the dark ages, September 2023, where we did one called AI Made Simple, where we took all these terms and said, well, AI is this big thing. You're seeing streaming media, you're seeing YouTube advertisements for AI, you're seeing the IBMs and the Microsofts out there, and everybody's saying we're doing AI, but nobody really defines what it is. That AI Made Simple webinar that we did back in September 2023 walks through a lot of those concepts. For today, we're really going to focus on what Microsoft is doing with AI, specifically with their Copilot offerings, which is really bringing AI into the realm of, you can just subscribe to it and start using it within your business environments. Fundamentally, Copilot is an example of AI changing the way that we work with software. In traditional software, you had to build up user skills. You had to know the menus. You had to know the commands. You could become a Microsoft Excel expert. You could become a PowerPoint expert or a Word expert. And you can still do all those things. That interface hasn't gone away. But the important thing in traditional environments is you have to adapt to what the software does. I'm sure you've all had moments where you've been working on a document and thought, man, I just want it to be formatted this way. And you've got to go through all these little commands to figure it out. That's changing with AI-powered software, or AI becoming part of the interface. When AI is part of the interface, it's non-deterministic. The software isn't putting you in a box. You're able to interface and say, I want this. And I'll actually show you, and I've even got a practical example that I did with Microsoft Excel last week that I got the answer back from Copilot. I was like, wow, that saved me at least 5 to 10 minutes of Google searching and experimentation to solve the problem. The software adapts to what you're expressing you want it to do. And the thing that's really exciting about Copilot for Microsoft 365 is it's able to do that with knowledge of your business information that you already have stored in the Microsoft 365 suite. That's your email, that's your calendar, that's your Teams meetings, that's your contacts, that's the Word documents, that's SharePoint, that's Excel, that's PowerPoint. Suddenly it's not, I'm getting back generic answers. It's able to actually provide answers that are based on the context of the information that you're working on.